Hello, children. Today we are going to do the remaining part of advertisement writing. In our previous module, we had done classified advertisement. Today we will do commercial or display ad. In part 1, we have discussed the value points and varieties of classified advertisements. Here we will see the value points of commercial or display ads. Children, these kind of ads are colorful, used in various fonts. It looks more like notice and poster. Here, the qualities of poster and invitation and notice can be seen. You see, we invite someone. These kinds of advertisements are usually put up for concerts, shows, road shows, inauguration, or launch of some products. See here, we can see the launch of school bags, Shine Enterprises. Here we see coaching class. Here, Diksha portal. In COVID-19, teachers enhance your teaching skills from the comfort of your home. And here, 50% scholarship for founding batch. So these kind of advertisements are called display or commercial ads. So what are display or commercial ads? Display and commercial ads are commercial advertisements are inserted by leading manufacturers because it is all about launch of any product. So done by manufacturers, establishments, government and non-governmental organizations, film producers, and political parties. You must have seen all this when you open the newspaper for the publicity and promotion of their products, services, or some events. These are designed for commercial purposes, especially by big corporate or industrial houses. What are the main characteristics of display ads or commercial ads? It is designed for commercial purpose, for business, trade. It is a mixture of notice, invitation, poster, and pamphlets. Yet there is difference between poster and display ad. Posters are a full page box and written in huge, extremely large font, whereas this kind of advertisement have the quality of a poster, but it is written again little small in half page box. This kind of poster needs these kind of advertisements need more space. So we have to pay money for the newspaper for more space if we take more space. So as we had discussed earlier in classified ads, we have to separate with commas written only in words because more space means more money. But here little more space is required so that it is expensive in terms of advertising cost. It should be visually attractive. You can make few, very one or two, very less, but one or two visuals can be made. And the different font size or shape. It can be a little decorative. It is language should be very comfortable, very lucid with all information, catchy slogans, punchlines, witty expressions, and pictures or sketches can be made. But remember, children, you cannot use color pencils in English paper. You have to use only dark blue pen and pencil for drawing. Coloring is not allowed. And when you make the advertisement, when you write the advertisement, Here, proportionate spacing is very important. It should not be like one word written here, one word written there. It should be centrally placed like a poster, and the space between each information should be very sincerely seen. Proportion. What are essential details and the format? We will discuss the details and format of classified ads. We start with the name of the company, institute, organizers, etc. at the top center. That who is organizing, what is being organized, what kind of show, it should be written on the top center. Then details regarding the product. Suppose we are launching a new jeans available in the market, available in all leading stores. For it is a unisex for men, women, and children, all. Or if it's event, concert, or educational course, you have to write details regarding it. Then other specific features of the event or launch, like when you talk about Delhi Haat, some specific features like it is Sri Lankan festival is being organized. So the cultural program, not only the products of Sri Lanka, the jewelry or the silver, which is famous from Sri Lanka, but also the cultural program, food, all will be on display. So such kind of specific features of event or launch can be described. So if there is any special offers or discount, that if you inaugurate, if you have launched any product, so usually you must have seen in the shop that inaugural discount 20%, first come, first serve basis. Initially, they give 10-20% discount as an inauguration. So it can be mentioned. And then at last, address of the company, institute, or organizers. Everything should be, all the details should be very, very, very clearly mentioned in minimum possible words. Children, here are some examples. I'll show you 1-2 examples which will help you to write. The question is, you are director of Bright Tutorials, an academy providing intensive as well as extensive postal coaching to students appearing for IIT and CBSE PMT, etc. Write an advertisement for publication in a newspaper. So you are the owner of Bright Tutorials and you have to attract the students for admission. So how it is written, you can see, let your dream come true, slogan, qualify for IIT and CBSE PMT, prepare to crack the nerve-cracking test, put in extra preparation, seek expert guidance, rely on Bright Tutorials. So what are the main features of Bright Tutorials? Here, question bank, expert guidance, intensive and extensive study material, periodical test, extensive coaching, comprehensive contact program. So all these are the special features of Bright Tutorials. And then it's written about admission open for engineering and medical entrance test, postal courses, duration 2 years, fee 5,000, write for free prospectus, Bright Tutorials, 87B, Rose Stars, Dadar, Mumbai. So this is, you can see how it is different from classified ads. See, the font size is also different. This is bold. This is also bold. This is bright. These are written in a different manner. Another example is All India Publishing House, in collaboration with International Trade Authority, is organizing 14th International Book Fair at Pragati Maidan for a week, beginning from 23rd July. The exhibition will be inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister Delhi, Shri Arvind Kejriwal. Write an advertisement for publication in National Daily. So children, every year you have trade fair in Pragati Maidan from 14th November to 29th November. And you see how on television, buses, radios, every time they advertise in which hall, which country is being displayed, what are the special features, where to park the car, where to park the vehicles, where the tickets would be available. So all the details are written in short. This is how we can write 14th International Book Fair 2014. Date, time, venue. 23rd July to 30th July, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Pragati Maidan. Inauguration by Srimati Smriti Irani, 23rd July, 9 p.m. Display profile. So what will be displayed? Books for all age groups, computer software and CD forms, teaching aids, audiovisual aids. These are the features. What are the special attractions? Meet the author. Communicative sessions. Once I had gone in book fair and I met Khushwant Singh. I met many writers. Shabana Azmi. I met Dipti Naval. So that way you can ask, see, get an opportunity to meet your favorite author. Get signed copies, first 500. Whosoever is your favorite writer, whose novel you read. So sometimes you find those people. No entry fee, means entry is free. Who is the organizer? International Trade Authority, and sponsored by All India Publishing House. Book for leisure, book for pleasure. So this is how we write advertisement. So children, I hope now it's clear to you the difference between classified ads and commercial and display ads. Your assignment has been uploaded on your ERP. You can complete from there. You can do from there. And here is the video which will help you to do your exercise properly.